Hey everyone, Rob Doherty from thevestguy.com and robswildlife.com. Getting ready to head out on another workshop very early tomorrow morning and just packing. And I want to show you some of the stuff that makes my trips easier and more organized. Start off with this. I guarantee if you're a photographer, and even if you're not, you've got different cables. So these are the cables for my hard drive, my iPhone, stuff like that. This is a really cool little bag. Show you what I got here. This one, I'm not taking this stuff on this trip, but I just wanted to show you. This is my international kit, so I've got all your adapters, but headed to Moab, so there's not a whole lot of international needs down there. But so that's what I take when I go to Africa and do my trips over there. But I am gonna need some chargers for my 1DX and my 7D Mark II. This is just a little USB adapter there. So, boom, got that. And then just like that. Love that little case. Here's the exact same case, different color. I like to have them in different colors so I can just look at them and I know I don't have to open them up. I know exactly what's in there. So we have the little mesh pocket there for the cords. I got 3 hard drives here, and then my card reader. So that's there. It has the loops at the bottom for the cables for these hard drives. I just don't have them in there yet. So instead of having batteries all over the place, I made a little pouch years ago. This is actually my cold weather pouch. So you put your hand warmers in here when you're out in the cold, and then you just got your batteries here, but they're heated, so they're not losing charge really fast. But just a cute little case, does the job. Same exact case, dividers, and the hand warmer pouch there, or you put whatever. This is just for my 7D Mark II. So there's that, different colors and stuff like that. These little guys, actually I am going to be filling all of these. I overpack every time, but you know, I'd rather get to my destination and not need something than to oh my goodness, I just didn't want to pack that. See, I got chapstick, my knife, batteries, a lighter, another power pack. There's my AA chargers. Just to grab anything out of there. Just really easy. I really love the clear plastic because you can just know exactly what's in there. I put these on my laptop case, and you can see I got one right here on the camera bag. It's just, you go on these workshops and so many people have the same exact gear, same bag, and then you're always grabbing somebody else's bag. My clothes got lost in South Africa one time. Didn't get my clothes for like 3 or 4 days, but it had the deal on there, had my number on there, so it was very easy for the airline to see and to grab that particular one. Plus, when it comes off the belt at the airport, you know exactly that's yours because they're color coded. You take it one step further. I just have my 2 business cards on there, but basically you can just, that's on there like that. So, of course, you always got to have the bathroom essentials. Have the different stuff in here. There's a little divider pocket in there, so you can put your razor or Q-tips or whatever you want in there. This I've used this for so many years. This has been around many trips to Africa, Alaska, all over the place. But this is our small. We have one that's same length and same height. It's just 5 inches wide. Where I think this one's right around 3-ish. But you can put little carabiners on here, but you know you can pull got the zipper pull like that. So, love that. Can't go anywhere without that. This I just throw in there. I've got little 2-way radios, and just so they're not loose in the camera bag, I made a couple of them up for there. Those seem to always come in handy, especially if you're with 2 or 3 vehicles. They got radios, and if somebody sees something cool, you can just jump on the radio and, you know, say, hey, pull over here, I want to shoot this, things like that. This is really one of my favorite bags. I've got 2 of these in my Jeep that I just put miscellaneous stuff in. I'll have like one on one side of the console that has receipts. The other side I keep like batteries, memory cards, different stuff. Got a little charger there, memory card. Got some carabiner. It's basically like a catch-all. Little thumb drives, everything. I got pins, just loose stuff that it's going to be all over your car, or all over your camera bag, and you know, you don't want that. So I just fill this little bag of odds and ends. So there's that. Anytime I'm traveling and I see a need for something, luckily I have the ability to just go back to the office and make it up. It just always proves to be handy, to be organized and stuff. If any of this stuff interests you, or you have an idea for organizing a bag or pouch, something like that, I'd love to make it up and see what you have. We have all these on our website, multiple colors, really dozens and dozens of colors. Like I said, you can get this in a solid front or the mesh front. It's totally up to you. There's no cost difference for these. They all come with the plastic on the back. But just little tools and tips to help you out when you're doing your traveling. And like I said, when you're with a group of photographers, I think this one I'm going on, there's probably, I don't know, like 15, 18 of us. You don't want to have just the same stuff that everybody else has. You're going to be grabbing somebody else's stuff all the time. If you have any questions, just feel free to put those in comments. I'd love to have you subscribe so you can get more of these tips and stuff like that. Check us out, thevestguy.com, or custom needs, call 801-725-0076. Thanks a lot and have a super great day.